Hi everyone, welcome to my flipped classroom. My name is Erin and today's lesson will be on elephants. The objectives of this lesson will be to learn about the types of elephants, the habitat and diet, conservation status, and a few fun facts. There are two different types of elephants. The first is the Asian elephant, which grows to be 6.6 to 9.8 feet and weigh 2.25 to 5.5 tons. Asian elephants are divided into four subspecies. The African elephant grows to be 8.2 to 13 feet and weigh 5,000 to 14,000 pounds. African elephants are divided into two subspecies. African elephants can live in either the savanna or the rainforest, and Asian elephants live in places such as India, China, and much of Southeast Asia. The location depends on what subspecies it is. Elephants are herbivores and mostly eat grass, leaves, bamboo, bark, and roots. An elephant can eat 300 to 400 pounds a day. In the early 1900s, there were approximately 1 million African elephants and 100,000 Asian elephants. Today we have about 700,000 African elephants and 32,000 Asian elephants. Even with laws in place, poaching has made Asian elephants endangered. Habitat loss and conflicts with human populations are also threats facing elephant populations. And a friendly reminder before riding elephants, watching them in a circus, or painting for entertainment, remember that the process to train them involves tying a wild elephant up for several days, beating them into submission, and leaving them to starve with the goal of crushing their spirits. A few fun facts are that elephants have a 22-month pregnancy, which is the longest in the animal kingdom. They are born blind, but they can stand almost immediately. Elephants cannot jump, but can run up to 25 miles per hour. Elephants are the largest land mammal, and they are afraid of bees. So please go over this information, take notes if needed, because we will go over it in class and have activities that will correspond. If you have any more questions or concerns, do not hesitate to ask. Thank you very much, and I hope you enjoyed.